In the Pricing section, there are two tabs, Pricing and Upcharges. We can use the Pricing to add the base pricing for our mug, and the Upcharges tab to indicate any additional charges for product options, such as colors, materials, imprinting, etc. Let's add the base price for this product in the available grid. First, we'll set the sold per unit. The sold per unit is the unit upon which the item is sold, such as per piece, per case, by the dozen, or even per roll in some scenarios. Our mug is sold by piece in increments of 36, so we can leave the sold per option set to piece and begin entering the quantities. 36, 72, 108, 144, 180. Now we can enter the list prices. $2.25, $2.15, $2.05, $1.95, and $1.85. Then we will use the Price Codes dropdown to select the discount code for each price break. Let's select the first price code to P, and SGR Updates will automatically calculate the net cost. If we wanted to set each price break to the same discount, we can check the Apply to All checkbox. We can then type a price include statement, such as one color imprint, one location. We also have the option to set the pricing as quote upon request, also known as QUR. QUR indicates the pricing will be quoted when there is a request for the item. After adding the base pricing, let's click on the Upcharges tab to add our upcharges, the setup charge and the run charge for the imprinting. We'll click on the Add an Upcharge button, then select the imprint method from the available options, and click on the Next Step button. Let's check Silkscreen and click on Save. Now, we can use the Upcharge Type dropdown to select Setup and Per Order, indicating that this is a one-time charge per order. We'll enter a quantity of 1, list price of 50, and use the Z discount code to indicate no discount. After we have added the setup charge, we need to add the run charge. Let's click on the Add an Additional Upcharge button. We'll check the imprint method, click on the Next Step button, check Silkscreen, and click on Save. We'll click on the Upcharge Type dropdown and select Run Charge and Per Quantity because the run charge applies to each piece. Now, we can enter the charge per piece by typing 1 in the quantity field, 25 cents in the list price, and using the Z discount code to indicate no discount. Now that we have added our pricing and upcharge information, let's click on Save, and then click on the Images tab.